Hello, my name is Arina, and I want to tell you my story about learning English. I live in a small village. When I was young, I had a big dream. I wanted to travel the world. But there was a problem. I didn't know English. One day, my teacher said, "English is important if you want to follow your dreams." I listened and nodded, but inside, I felt scared. English was hard for me. The words sounded strange, and I forgot them easily. One evening, I told my mom, "I want to learn English, but it is so difficult." My mom smiled and said, "Big dreams need hard work, Arina. Start small. You can do it." That day, I made a plan. I decided to learn 5 new words every day. I wrote the words on small pieces of paper and carried them with me. I practiced the words on my way to school, when I helped my mom at home, and before I went to bed. At school, my teacher noticed my hard work. "Good job, Arina. Keep going," my teacher said. But sometimes, I still felt upset. One day, during English class, my teacher asked me to read aloud. I tried my best, but I said some words wrong. The other kids laughed, and my face turned red. After class, my teacher came to me and said, "Mistakes are part of learning. You are doing a great job because you are trying. Don't give up." Her words made me feel better. I didn't give up. I started watching cartoons in English. At first, I didn't understand much, but I liked the funny characters. Slowly, I started learning new words and phrases. One day, while walking in my village, I saw a tourist looking at a map. He looked confused, and I felt nervous. But I wanted to help. "Hello," I said. "Can I help you?" The man smiled. "Yes, where is the bakery?" he asked. I thought for a moment and said, "Go straight, then turn left." "Thank you," the man said. I smiled. I felt very proud of myself. After that, I felt more confident. I borrowed books in English from the library and read them slowly. When I didn't know a word, I looked it up. I also started talking to my friends in simple English. One day, my teacher told the class, "We will have an English contest next month. You can write a story or give a speech. Who wants to join?" My heart started beating fast. I wanted to join, but I was scared. What if I make mistakes? I thought. That evening, I talked to my mom about the contest. She said, "You should try, Arina. It's okay to be scared. Just do your best." I decided to write a story about animals because I love them. I worked very hard on it. My teacher helped me fix my mistakes. On the day of the contest, I stood in front of the class. My hands were shaking, but I took a deep breath and began reading. Once, there was a brave little rabbit named Max. I said. When I finished, everyone clapped. My teacher smiled and said, "Arina, your story was wonderful." I felt so happy and proud. From that day, I believed in myself. I knew learning English was not easy, but I could do it if I worked hard. Now, I use English every day. I talk to people, read books, and follow my dreams. I think about the day I helped that tourist and the contest I joined, and I smile. Big dreams need hard work, but they are always worth it.